Do you ever feel that your dream is too big? Do you look at your goals and think, I can't do this? It's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes. But remember this, you don't need to do everything today. You only need to take one step at a time. There was a young woman named Emma. She wanted to learn English to travel, study, and meet people from other countries. She dreamed of speaking clearly and understanding movies without subtitles. So one day she said to herself, I will start today. She opened her notebook, wrote the alphabet, and repeated words she knew. Hello, thank you, water, love. At first, it felt easy and fun. But after a few weeks, she saw new grammar, long words, and strange pronunciation. She thought, this is too hard. I can't do it. She wanted to stop. One night, Emma was sitting at her desk. Her book was open, but she didn't want to study. She felt tired and sad. Her little brother came into the room. He was learning how to ride a bicycle. He said, Emma, look, today I can ride for 10 seconds. Emma smiled. That's great, she said. Then he looked at her and said, yesterday I could only ride for 5 seconds. Now I can do 10. I'm better. Emma laughed softly, but his words stayed in her mind. She thought, he is growing little by little. Maybe I can too. That night, she wrote in her notebook, I will not give up. I will go one step at a time. The next morning, Emma woke up early and studied for just 15 minutes. She repeated simple sentences. My name is Emma. I like coffee. I go to school. She didn't worry about being perfect. She only focused on one thing each day. One day, she practiced listening. The next day, she wrote short sentences. The next, she watched a short video. Some days she felt proud. Other days, she felt slow. But she continued. And slowly, something started to change. After 3 months, Emma met a tourist in her city. He asked, Excuse me, do you know where the bus station is? Emma froze for a moment. Her heart was beating fast. Then she smiled and said, Yes, go straight and turn left. The tourist smiled. Thank you. Emma felt her eyes fill with tears. She had just spoken in English and someone understood her. It was a small sentence, but it meant the world to her. In that moment, she realized that every small step had led her there. Emma learned something very important. You don't need to be perfect to make progress. You just need to move forward, even slowly. She understood that learning English is like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top, you climb one step at a time. Every small step is part of the big picture. Every mistake is part of learning. Every day counts. She stopped saying, I can't, and started saying, I'm learning. And that made all the difference. Life is just like learning a language. We all have dreams, maybe to speak English, to travel, to change jobs, or to be happier. Sometimes the dream feels too far away. But remember, you don't have to do it all today. You just have to start. Then take one small step, then another, and another. Little by little, those small steps will take you to amazing places. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep moving. If today you learned one new word, that's a victory. If you listen to English for 5 minutes, that's progress. If you tried to speak and made mistakes, that's growth. Every effort matters because each small action builds your future. Remember, big dreams are made from small steps.
Thank you so much for practicing English every day with us here on your favorite YouTube channel. If you'd like to keep learning and practicing, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share your favorite part of today's listening practice in the comments. See you in the next video.